In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Surfshark when it's down. If your VPN won't connect, pages are timing out, or the app keeps throwing errors, the smartest first move is to confirm whether the problem is on your side or a wider service outage. We'll do that by using Down Detector, a popular site that tracks real-time issues based on user reports. This quick check can save you time and prevent unnecessary changes to your device or network. Open your web browser and head to Down Detector. Once you're there, use the search bar to look up Surfshark and open its dedicated page. You'll see a chart showing the number of problem reports over the past 24 hours. Think of this as a heartbeat monitor for service health. A flat or low line usually means things are normal. A sudden spike suggests many people are experiencing issues at the same time, which points to an outage or degradation on the provider's side. Take a moment to compare the timing of the spike with when your problem started. If the graph climbed right around the moment your connection began failing, that's a strong signal you're not alone. Scroll down to the recent comments or report breakdowns and skim for patterns. Consistent mentions of connection failures, timeouts, or DNS problems posted within the last few minutes reinforce the idea that it's a broader issue. You may also see a heat map or regional indicators. If there's a concentration of reports in your country or nearby, that helps explain why you're affected. On the other hand, if the report count is very low and the graph is flat, a full service outage is unlikely, and your issue may be local rather than widespread. Keep in mind that campus or corporate networks sometimes block VPN traffic, which can feel like an outage even when the service itself is fine. The Down Detector trend helps you distinguish between those scenarios. When Down Detector clearly shows a spike for Surfshark, the best course is patience. Avoid reinstalling apps or changing a bunch of settings that worked yesterday. Instead, refresh the page every few minutes to watch the trend. As the graph returns to normal and recent comments shift from down to working again, you'll know service is stabilizing. At that point, trying your connection again makes sense. That's it. By checking Down Detector to confirm a service outage, you can quickly understand whether the problem is widespread or local, adjust expectations, and avoid unnecessary troubleshooting while the provider restores service.